Howdy y'all, Professor Patterson here. Welcome to today's show, Probing Answers with Professor P. The question we want to try to answer today is, how would we know if this tree is older than, say, this random human? To those interested in dating trees instead of humans, the answer to this question is very important. But how do you think the public might answer this question? Well, let's go ask a few of them. Today we're on the campus of Indiana State University in Terre Haute, Indiana. We're here today to find out if folks know how to determine the age of this violin, which is made of wood, without damaging it. Let's go find out.
Well, there's a mark on there.
Okay.
It says Dresden. The first thing I guess I would do would be probably to look into that.
I guess how it looks and how it's kind of rough on the edges. And
How would you know whether the wood that makes up this violin is older than you are?
No, it looks kind of aged, so that's probably how I could tell.
I have no idea.
The lines, if this is wood, then it's made from a tree, and that's how you can tell the age of the tree from the lines in the middle, the rings.
Also, just by appearance, it does look older than I am, but it also kind of smells funny, so that's another indication that it's older.
Because, like, what, old people smell funny or something?
I don't know, it just smells old almost, I don't know.
I think somebody would have to do some testing on the wood because I know there's carbon dating.
Well, actually, you can look on the outside and look at the number of lines that you have on the wood. If you could somehow discern where the center is to the outside, you could possibly figure out how many years.
Well, there's the manufacturer in there, so I would probably try to look it up.
I used to play violin, so yeah, the wood would be like a distinct color. You can see like fading, and like the edges are like more rusty on the sides. So.
I have no idea.
Well, there you have it, folks. The majority of people surveyed pretty much indicate that they're clueless when it comes to determining the age of something made of wood. Well, hey, that's to be expected. For those of you that are watching this video as part of the case study, in Part 3, you're going to learn basic tree anatomy. Part 4 will help you learn and practice a common procedure used by dendrochronologists, those men and women who love dating trees. It's called skeleton plotting, and although it sounds a little Halloween-y, it's not. Then in Part 5, you're going to see a demonstration of an application of the procedure that you learned in Part 4. So, that's it. This is Professor P, probing answers to life's most interesting questions.